Hi, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is Savannah by Envy in the color Golden Nutmeg. So this is Savannah off my head, lots of layering, reminds me a bit of like Trendsetter by Raquel Welch or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Lots of layering here on Savannah. I actually think this one's one of those wigs that's a lot cuter in person than the product photos. The product photos are a little scary on this one, but she's pretty cute, especially if you tuck a little bit of her behind your ear. I mean, these sideburns, pretty good coverage here. The ear tabs come really nice and far down. Lots of great texture all over this wig. I love the bang on this. The front is very cute. So Savannah has no lace front. And that is probably her downfall for some of you. But I think that the fact that she's got these luscious monofilament features help her still look really nice and natural, even without that lace front. I mean, if I hadn't mentioned it, would you have noticed? Some of you might have, but I don't think most people would notice at all. This looks really natural to me, especially for a wig without a lace front. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Savannah by Envy looks like on all sides. I really love the texture of Savannah. I think that she's just got so much potential for style. It's one of those cuts that even when it looks messy, still looks really cute. So I like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take Savannah off now so I can show you the cap construction. So this one has a full monofilament top. It is a single monotop though, not a double. It does have a band of polyurethane right at the front hairline, so if you want to put a little adhesive there, you can. It kind of has a little bit of a grippy grip on its own. We've also got open wefts on the side and back, an extended closed lace nape that adjusts a bit like a bra strap here at the back, and the ear tabs have a little bit of lace going on there too. And here's that texture up close and personal. This one's got all kinds of pretty texture. It really shows up in this gorgeous golden nutmeg color. And here, let me see if I can part this for you. This is what that monotop looks like, and it is sheer. You can see right through it. So if you have a little bio hair, you may want to wear a wig cap under this one to get the most of that effect. This is totally like a Meg Ryan from the 90s type of haircut. It's very cute. So this is Savannah by Envy, and I'm Heather from CysterWigs. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you'll keep watching, and if you do, I'll keep making them. It works out well that way. Until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.